Shopify tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Shopify as a complete beginner. So let's get into it. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to cover up the sign up process. It's very simple, and for that I am going to be using a temporary email service such as TempMailo, and we're just simply going to go ahead and copy the email address, go back to the website, click on start free trial. Once we click on it, all we have to do is you can either go ahead and answer these questions or you can skip all of them. And when you have skipped these questions, all you have to do is just simply click on sign up with email and enter in the email address. So I have this email right here, add that, click on create a Shopify account, give it a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's building our store right here. And there we go. We have now logged in, we have now signed up, and we are good to go. So we are using the free trial. So you can go ahead and click on select a plan right here, and you can extend your trial and enjoy your first month just for $1. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that. Next, what you can do is you can go ahead and follow this guide. It's also very simple, nothing too crazy. So it says first add your products, add a custom domain, customize your online store, name your store, and all of the other stuff. And you can do that by just simply coming over here onto the left hand side and clicking on products. And if you click on products, you will see you have add new product right here. Now you can go ahead and add product or import your products. If you have a CSV file, you can add a product manually by clicking on this button and filling out this form. Or if you are doing drop shipping, what you can do is you can go into the app store, and over here you can use an application like CJ Dropshipping to import different products from different websites and then use it as a dropshipping. It will automatically include all the information of the product, the images, the sizes, the variations of it, so you don't have to fill out the form. But if you don't want to do that, you want to fill out it manually, you can just simply go ahead and add the title, the description, and upload the media files right here. So let's go ahead and upload a image. So let's say we are selling these shoes right here. We want to upload these ones. So we'll just say these are basic low top sneakers. You can add the description of the product. You can describe the material, the foam that you've used as the soles, and you can describe all the materials and the process that has been used to making the shoe. Down below you can add the price. So let's say this shoes is going around $50 and the cost of it is around $20. So let's say this price of this shoe is $50 and comparing it a price of, let's say, $60. So it was on sale. We've dropped down $10 and the cost of it is $20. And right here is your profit margins. So you have 60% profit margins. So you can select that. You can track the inventory right here. You can add it manually if you have it. If you are using, as I said before, if you're using a dropshipping application like CJ Dropshipping, it will import all of this information so you don't have to fill out. You won't have to worry about the inventory. But if you are selling your own product and you're storing it in-house, then you have to fill this form out. So let's say I have around 50 pairs of this shoe and continue selling without stock. So what this means is that if you have a point of sale like a shop, if you want to click over here, then this will be a separate stock. So this 50 pair, these are just simply going to be for the store or for the online store, not including the ones that you have in your point of sale or your shop. So keep that in mind. So if you want to click that, click over here. If you don't have a POS, then uncheck it and continue. Then over here, this is a physical product and you can add the weight of it. So we'll just say it weighs half a kilo. So 0.5 random weight, and you can add different variations in size of it as well. So click on the variation and select size. So you have a medium, large, and small. Or if you want, you can add a size 40, 42, 45, on and on. It depends on you. And then you just simply click on done, and there you go. So now you have different sizes of it as well. You can add the picture, click on done, and just simply select the photos and click on done, and you are good to go. And once it's done, you just simply click on save and you are good to go. Now this product is done, it's saved, it is now live, and it is available for your store. Now over here, as you can see, we have the status of it as well. So it's live and we have the sales channels, market, and all of that. Next, what you can do is you can go ahead and fill out, let's say, collections. You can create collections over here. You can set up your inventory, purchase orders, and all of the other stuff if you want to. But after that, you can just simply go ahead and customize your online store. So if you click on online store, you just simply click on customize right here. As you can see, it's password protected, so we don't have to worry about it. The initial theme is going to be the Dawn theme, which I think is pretty cool. It's very stable and very easy, so anyone can use this theme. But if you want to change it, you can select any of these pre-made themes right here. If you want to have more themes, there are some paid themes as well, so you can just simply go ahead and visit the theme store and buy a theme if you want to. But I would recommend going with the free themes just for the first couple of months or first couple of years if you want to see how it works out. And then you can just simply click on customize it, actually go ahead and customize the theme. You can go ahead and change out the theme. You can change out the banner image. You will have your featured products over here. Of course, I only have one product just for example. If you want to add more products, you can do that as well. And to change the image, all you have to do is simply click on the image, and over here on the right hand side you will have the option right here. So select image right here, or explore free images if you have one. If you already have one, then just simply click on select image, upload it over here, and you should be good to go. But if you want to select a free image, you just simply click on explore free image, and then just simply choose an image that you want. Click on select, and you are good to go. But yeah, mostly you don't need to change the store or the theme of it unless you're going with a specific color palette, if you have that in mind. But if not, you can just leave it as it is, change the images or the placement of the products, and you should be good to go. There's not much you need to do because the Dawn theme is just that. It's very simple. And once you've done customizing it, just simply click on save, and now you are good to go. After that, you can just simply exit the theme store. Next, all you have to do is, as I said before, go ahead and add a custom domain. As you can see right here. Right now we are using a free domain, which is right here. It does not look pretty at all, but if you want to add a custom domain, just simply click on add domain. It's going to take you to the settings section, and underneath domains you will find it right here. Now if you already have a domain, all you can do is just simply click on connect to an existing domain, add it right here, and click on next. Then it will take you to the website where you have the domain, and then you can configure it with this one. But if you want to buy a new domain, just simply click on buy new domain, add the example over here, and just simply buy it. And once you've bought it, you should just simply go ahead and connect it with your store, and you are good to go. That is just simple stuff right here. Naming your store, it depends on you what you want to call it, and shipping rates and all of that, these are going to vary between country to country, so it depends on you. Just simply click on set shipping rates, and over here you can add it right here. You can add your own shipping process, or you can add the ones that Shopify provides. It depends on you. But once it's done, you are good to go. After that, you can just go ahead and test out your place order right here. You can test it out and see whether or not it is delivered to you or not. And if it does, if everything works, you are good to go. And that is it. That is how you do it. That is how you set up, and that is how you use Shopify. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.